What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog from Sonic Boom. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. We'll start right in the middle, start with an oval, coming down towards the bottom, and bring that back up towards the top. Now at the top of the nose, draw a small circle for a highlight, and then we'll fill in the bottom of the nose. Now from here, we're going to tuck the muzzle in behind the nose. Starting from the left side of the nose, curve the muzzle coming down and then up towards the side. Let's round up the side of the muzzle, coming around and pulling that back in. And I'll connect the ends, coming down towards the bottom of the chin, and bring that back up towards the right. Now I'm going to go over towards the left side and draw in the mouth. Let's start up here. Just going to curve the mouth coming down and then in. And then on the left side, we'll add a small bracket. Now I'm also going to tuck the brow in behind the nose. Let's start on the top left. I'm going to bend the brow going out and then go up in an angle. Now let's round up the top of the eye, going up, round this out, come down and then in on top of the muzzle. Now I want to push the iris and pupil towards the inside of the face. So on the left side, I'm going to draw an oval, just tucked in underneath the brow, coming around towards the bottom, and we'll pull that back up. Let's line this up on the right, coming down towards the same height, going up and then in underneath. Let's trace the iris along the inside, coming down and then back up. And then along the top of the pupil, draw a small circle. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupil, going around that highlight. Now from here, we're going to add a thick edge along the top of the brow. Let's start on the left side, start with a curve going up, and we'll bend that down, just following the curve of the eye on both sides. Now from here, we're going to move up and draw on the ears. Let's line up with the outside of the brow, step up, curve the ear going out, pull that up towards the top. And from the top of the ear, bend this in and then back down. Let's trace both of the ears along the inside, going up towards the top, and then bring that back down. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve, going up and in. Now this character has a few more points than the classic version of Sonic. Let's start from the inside of the left ear. Just going to curve this up, bend that in towards the right. Now add a thin point, just tapering this down towards the bottom. Let's add a larger spike, going up and then out. Just going to come in and then down on top of the right ear. Let's go to the outside of the ear along the bottom, add a spike going out, and then bring that down. And we'll taper this back in and up towards the side of the head. Let's add a small spike along the bottom, going out and then down. And we'll pull that back in towards the side. And we'll add one larger spike along the bottom, starting back on the left, going out and then down. I want to pull this back up underneath the head, going up, and I'll just bend that down towards the side of the cheek. Let's go back to the side of the cheek and add a fold around the side of the head, going out and then up around the eyes. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start on the left side of the head, start with a fold, coming down, and bend that in, go to the right side, come in, leaving a gap in between. Now let's draw the bottom of the scarf, starting back over on the left, curve around, bring that in towards the middle, go up towards the right, and then bend that back in towards the side. Now from here we're going to draw on the side of the body. Let's start back over on the left underneath the scarf, curve the body coming down, and bend that in towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add that patch in the center of the body. Starting underneath the scarf, we're going to draw a half oval. We're going to come down the middle, round this out, and go back up. Let's go in between the hips, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center and draw the inside of the legs. Let's move over towards the left, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, going down, and then up. And then we'll go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot going up, and then bring that back down just up above the heel. So go up, and then we'll curve that back down. Let's go to the top of the foot, draw a straight angle line going up and in, and then curve this in and back down. Now we're going to add another layer. From this point, we're going to step in, draw a short angle line going up, curve this in, and then back down. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Come down with a straight angle line. I'm going to leave a little overlap on the outside. Now we're going to continue to add some bandages across the left leg. So we're going to step up, curve this across. Now from the left side, go up and in, step up, and just follow that curve. Let's go over towards the right side, step up. I'm just going to add 3 curves going across. Now going back down to the bottom, we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and we'll just trace that across. Let's add some bandages across the top of the foot. Starting up here, bend this in, and then down towards the sole. And the same thing on the right. Let's add one more, stepping over, coming down towards the bottom. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to step over, angles down and in with a straight line, and just tuck this up underneath. Now let's move back up to the top and draw the arms bent in towards the hips. Let's start from the top of the body, start with a straight angle line, coming down and out towards the elbows. And then from here, draw a straight angle line coming in towards the thumb. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle going up towards the body and then back down. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers against the side of the body. Let's start from the hip, come around and then out. Step down, draw that again, coming in and out. Now I want to do that one more time, coming around. And I want to bend the arm coming up towards the elbow. Go all the way around, just taper that up towards the elbow. And then from the elbow, we're going to draw a straight angle line coming up underneath the scarf. Let's add some bandages across the arm. Starting from the elbow, we'll step in, curve this round and then down. Step in, draw that again. Let's add one more curve across the wrist, coming around and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Sonic from Sonic Boom. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels for more lessons each week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.